Hello friends, Namaste. I am nutritionist Supriya Khambe from Shashwati Ayurveda. Everyone's favorite festival Diwali is around the corner. Think of Diwali and we think of diya, rangoli, pataka, and not to forget everyone's favorite Diwali delicacies. Various regions in India have various names for Diwali delicacies, but here in Maharashtra we call it Diwali Farar. Diwali Farar here is all about बुंदीचे लाडू, अनारसे, चकली, रव्याचे लाडू, शंकरपाळे, करंजी. I am sure you all must be preparing for your Diwali, like buying new clothes, shopping for Diwali, or trying to make farar. And some of you must be going to buy it from market also. That's all right. But what is important is having a Diwali farar. But thinking of having Diwali farar, you must be thinking, oh no, what about the weight gain post Diwali? My acidity or diabetes people must be thinking, arey, how can I have sweets like Diwali, like ladu and everything? But what if I tell you that Ayurveda tells you you should enjoy your Diwali farar with open heart? As per Ayurveda, we are entering into Visarga Kal. It indicates the movement of sun in southern direction. The southward movement of sun and ayan, which enhances the strength of Agni or digestive furnace. The unctuousness or snigdhata is set in the atmosphere and sweet, sour, salty tastes are predominant. That is the reason the strength of individual or a person enhances. If we observe, Diwali falls into Hemant Rutu or early winters we call it. So, the October heat is already shaded down and we begin to feel mild coldness in the weather, or we call it a Gulabi Thandi. During the Hemant Rutu, the Jathar Agni or inside heat of the body is conserved with the contraction of outside weather or outside cold weather. That is the reason the appetite or the Jathar Agni of individual is increased and we tend to feel more hungry during this season. That's why it's okay to have Diwali farar, which is otherwise difficult to digest. If we see the Hemant Rutu or winter is a season of accumulation of kapha and pacification of pitta or acidity. That is the reason it is absolutely okay to have Diwali sweets like ladu, shankarpale, anarse along with chiuda, shev, chakli, or all the other spicy items, matri, chorafali, whatever you are eating in your region. Also, Diwali items are usually made with lots of ghee, dry fruits, various millets, spices, which are actually very heavy to eat. So during winters, appetite is increased and it is easy to digest, and we can eat more and we can digest more. That is the main funda or I will say Ayurveda is using to have Diwali farar. So enjoy your Diwali farar without thinking that will I gain weight or acidity. But what we should keep in mind that eat whatever is sufficient for your stomach. Just do not eat because it's just a matter of 4-5 days and you'll be eating only for this Diwali duration. Later I'm not going to eat. Understand your digestion and eat accordingly. Also, during Diwali, not during Diwali, but during winters, nights are usually longer and days are shorter. So, morning we tend to feel more hungry. So, the ideal time to eat Diwali farar is the breakfast. That does not mean that you should not have Diwali farar in the lunch or evenings. Always accompany some part of Diwali farar along with your lunch. I would say avoid having due to health reasons in the evening, because in evening digestion is little slow. But if you are going to have Diwali parties or your family traditions have Diwali celebrations in the evening, so please enjoy your Diwali farar in the evening also, because that's your family tradition. And remaining all can have any time of the day along with usual lunch or dinner. Do not replace Diwali farar with your lunch or dinner. You can have it some portion with your lunch or dinner. To conclude to this, please keep in mind that Diwali falls under the Hemant Ritu and it's a major season change, and during winter everything we eat is easier to digest. Like Diwali Farar is heavy but easy to digest, and the ingredients used to make Diwali Farar is going to give us some strength and going to make us stronger during this entire season change. So this Diwali, enjoy your Diwali Farar like I am going to enjoy it, and don't count your calories, count your blessings, count your happiness. Do make at least one item at home, and if you can't make it at home, go and buy from your local businesses, support small business, buy from local mithai walas, or some, like many ladies are making at home and selling it, buy it from them. And wishing you a very happy Diwali. Everyone stay safe, play crackers and bring out the child within you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please drop in your valuable comments and suggestions. Thank you.